Hey guys, welcome back to Dragon Physique. Today we're going to go over the monkey. You want to put it together? Yeah? No? Can you force? Monkeys are a move that will help you transition into really good and solid air power. When you do the monkey, you're going to be able to transition your body weight evenly so that you can execute a power move without having a really hard crash or injuring yourself. So practice the monkey as much as you can so that you can execute air power and have complete control of what your body is doing while you're upside down. Alright guys, so for this, which I call the monkey, we're going to reach with our left hand for clockwise. We're going to reach with our left hand down towards our right foot. Right foot comes up, and your right arm, right hand is going to come in right in between your left hand and your left foot. And you're going to go into a handstand almost, like so. So that's going to be the first task that you want to master. So we're going to go down towards our right foot with our left hand. Right foot comes up, and then left foot kicks up, so you're up in a handstand. When you're up in that handstand, you're going to basically come down right foot first. So go to the handstand, right foot comes down, left foot comes down right after. Once your left foot comes down, you're set to go again. You're basically in your first starting position. So just like we did, left hand goes up, comes down towards your right foot comes up, so to handstand, right foot comes down, left foot comes down, and we're ready to do it again. So I'm going to try to do it as slow as I can so you can see the twisting that I do. The twisting is caused by my hand position switching out with my feet. So, hands coming in where my right foot is, and now, since this foot comes up, this hand basically takes almost where it's at. Right foot comes down, the left foot comes right afterwards. I'm facing you guys when I'm starting, and I am facing you guys as well when I finish. So, we're going to twist a little bit more when we come down with our right foot. So everything is going to be just about normal. But when we come down on our right foot, we're going to swing that left leg to be squared over here. So we're right here, left leg just swings around. So let's try that one more time. I'm going to do it as slow as possible so y'all can see it again. Left hand reaches towards right foot comes up. Like so. Left foot is going to come up, and right hand is going to come right about in between these. Like so. Left foot comes down, and then we step and we're square with the front. So, a tip that I can give you guys to kind of help you with the orientation of what you're doing is if you have a dry erase marker or a piece of string that you can tape down onto the floor, just tape it to go from one foot to the other and make that your baseline. Left hand is going to take position of the right foot, and then the left foot is going to jump up. Right hand is going to come down there, and your right foot should come down close to where your left hand was. And you come back up. So it's going to look a little something like this. So by using the line as a reference, I'm able to make sure that my body stays square with the position that I'm trying to face. So no matter how I do this, I'm going to start ending up a little bit straighter every time I do it. So So thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. That was the monkey. Remember to use a line as a reference so you can end up square. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.